what happens if you're already a long-term finasteride user? At that point, you've basically gotten almost all the new hair that finasteride's ever going to give you, and you're basically on the maintenance treatment. Can you lower the dose and still keep all your hair? The study came to us from Korea in December of 2020. The revealing title of the paper is Similar Efficacy of Maintenance Treatment of Finasteride 1 milligram every other month compared with finasteride 1 milligram daily. So the researchers took 23 men who had been on the standard 1 milligram daily finasteride dosage for at least 1 year. One group of men continued to take the standard 1 milligram daily dosage, but the men in the other group took 1 milligram pill every 2 months. Only 14% of men in the group that were taking the 1/60th dosage worsened. Another 50% of the men in the 1/60th group had no change, and the remaining 36% surprisingly had a mild improvement. Do you think you can really get away with 1/60th of the dose?
More hair, naturally. HairGuard.